How client request templates can make your life easier. There are times when you must ask common and repeated questions to your clients. Client request templates with predefined questions and upload fields save time and effort and make your documents preparation process more efficient. Let me show you how to create them. Go to the Firm Templates page under the Templates section and then select Client Request. Next, click on Create Template. Let's start writing down the template name. For example, it could be something like Update Your Details. You will see this name when you select the template. You can add a description that will be shown when the template is selected. Write the name of your request and select the type of question you want by pressing Add Question. These can be text, email, number, date, various kinds of multiple-choice questions, or document upload. For this example, we will ask the client to indicate if there is a need to update their phone number, marital status, and dependents info before the new tax season. You can add reminders so the system will automatically remind your clients to complete the request if they forget or neglect to do so. Also, you can decide if the client needs to log into the system to complete the request. Finally, click Save. You've successfully created a template that can be sent to your clients manually or employed in automations. Let's look at two ways of sending them manually. On the first one, press the New button at the top right corner and click Client Request. On the menu, go directly to the Template bar and select the one we just made. You'll see that everything else will be filled out for you. Select a client and finally click Send, and that's it. Your client will receive a push notification on their mobile phones and a notification in their home page. If you need to send them in bulk for specific types of clients, that can be done too. On the Account subsection of the Clients section, I will select only my tax clients. I'll use the Filter button and look for the tax tag to do that. Tick the box at the top of the list to select all and click More Actions and Send Client Request. Once the menu slides out, follow the exact instructions as in the previous example. You can also have these requests sent automatically as a part of a pipeline. I have opened my 1040 tax season pipeline for this example. In the first stage, I'll add a new automation. Click the Edit Automations button and select Add Automations, and finally, select Send Client Request. Select the template you want. Again, I'll use the one we created at the beginning of the video. Click Save, and that's it. Make sure that the Automove Jobs toggle from this and the previous stage is on, and click Save. The system automatically sends the request every time a new job is added to this pipeline.